Good morning, everyone. Today's our topic is the fundamental unit of life. Chapter 5, Biology. देखिए, फंडामेंटल क्या होता है? Fundamental is the basic thing of life. So we can say that the cell is the fundamental unit of our life. So, cell, what is a cell? Cell is the basic unit of our life. ये सबसे छोटी इकाई है हमारी लाइफ की. विदाउट ए सेल ए लाइफ कैन नॉट बी इमेजिन. हम बिना सेल के एक लाइफ को नहीं सोच सकते हैं. जैसे ये देखिए, we all know that cell is the basic unit of life. First point. Second point, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. अब स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल कैसे हैं उसका जवाब देता हूं आपको. देखिए, as we all know that cell, this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a group of cells known as tissue. Now, group of tissue known as organs, group of organs known as organ system, so if we look at what is tissue, tissue क्या है? Tissue is a group of cells which are similar in structure and perform some basic functions. So this is a cell. A cell is a group, a tissue is a group of cells which are similar in structure and perform some specific function. Like if this is a cell of skin, that cell of skin cannot make heart tissue, or we can say that cannot perform the function of heart. But a heart cell can perform only the functions of of heart or helps heart to perform its functions. मैं एक बार फिर से रिकॉल करता हूं that what is a cell? Cell is the basic unit of our life. Cell is the structural and the functional unit of our life. Then I told you about a tissue. What is a tissue? A tissue is a group of cells which are similar in structure but they perform some basic functions, specific functions करो इसको. Not the basic, it's the specific function. Specific means that कि वो एक particular work ही करेगा. जैसे bio में, oh sorry, science में you have three portions. One is chemistry, one is bio, one is physics. And we three teachers are teaching you bio, physics and chemistry. A specific teacher for chemistry, a specific teacher for biology and a specific teacher for physics. They perform a specific function with you. It means that if the cell of a skin perform its function that it protects us from harmful environment, and a cell of brain is doing its function in conducting impulses. So there is a specific function for every cell and every tissue. Clear? Next, we move to the book. What the book says. While examining a thin slice of cork, Robert Hooke saw that the cork has resembled the structure of honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. He discovered a cell on the cork, and the structure of that cell is honeycomb-like structure. Now, this was year 1665. When did Robert Hooke discover the cell? In 1665. Hooke made this chance observation through a self-designed microscope. Robert Hooke called the boxes of cell. Cell is a Latin word, means a little room. Cell. Cell is a Latin word. Latin is a language, and cell means a little room. Now, this may be seen to be a very small and insignificant incident, but it is very important in the history of science. This was very first time to someone to observe that living things appear consisting of separate units. Rotate screen means beta. Now, this may be seen to be very small and insignificant, but is very important in history of science. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Next. What are the living organisms made up of? हमें पता करना है कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म किस चीज के बने होते हैं. So the picture you are seeing on the screen is the picture of a compound microscope. We will show it to you in the biolab, and this object is used to see small things like bacteria, like dissection, like cell. So by this we can see a cell easily. Our question is, what are what are living organisms made up of? Living organisms किस चीज के बने होते हैं? तो मैंने अभी आपको एक डायग्राम बना के दिया था कि सेल से टिश्यू, tissue made a group of tissue made organs, a group of organs made organ system, and a organ system, a group of organ system made an organism. So organisms are finally made up of from what? Cell. Let's move. Here you see a cell of an onion peel. A cell consists of a nucleus. This is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. So a group of cells is there, and the portion, this is the dot portion you are seeing is the nucleus. This is the structure, cell structure of a onion peel. These structures look similar to each other. Together they form a big structure like an onion bulb. We find that the small structure that we are seeing in basic onion bulb is called cells. आप देखिए कि रॉबर्ट हुक ने क्या कहा इस पैराग्राफ में पढ़ते हैं हम. What did Robert Hooke says? Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. He observed the cell on a cork slice with the help of a primitive microscope. ये भी हम पढ़ चुके हैं. तो इसने डेड सेल को डिस्कवर किया. With the help of improved microscope, जो हमने कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप देखा, ल्यू वैन होक, एक न्यू साइंटिस्ट आया है, ल्यू वैन होक. He discovered the free living cells. लिविंग सेल की डिस्कवरी किसने की? ल्यू वैन होक ने. लिविंग सेल कहां पर की? पॉन्ड वाटर में की. कहां पर की? पॉन्ड वाटर में की. क्लियर? It was Robert Brown in 1831 who discovered the nucleus. Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Who discovered nucleus? Robert Brown. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. Who discovered a dead cell? Robert Hooke. Who discovered a living cell? Is Leeuwenhoek. 4 क्वेश्चन क्लियर. अभी कराते हैं, एक सेकेंड. देखिए, who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. Discover dead cell? Robert Hooke. Living cell? Leeuwenhoek. Fourth, nucleus? Robert Brown. Clear?